2025 was supposed to be the year of the AI agents, but we're already almost 4 months in, and there's quite a gap between what's being promised and what actually exists. I've been testing the latest AI tools, and today I'm sharing what these systems can really do versus what many tech companies are claiming they can do.
Understanding this reality gap is crucial. It could save you from costly disappointments or help you spot valuable opportunities that others are missing.
Despite all the buzz about autonomous AI agents that can handle your entire workflow, the truth is that most of today's tools are just still advanced assistants, not true agents.
But don't underestimate what's available now. JP Morgan reports their AI tools are already contributing $1 to $1.5 billion in annual value to their business, even without full agent capabilities.
Yes, and knowing the difference between current reality and future potential gives you a significant advantage in implementation and planning.
Today, we'll explore what's actually possible with current AI tools, where they fall short of being true agents, and which systems deliver real business value right now.
And this understanding directly impacts your adaptability score, the critical multiplier in your human coefficient score from our PDF. That'll be linked down below. If you haven't downloaded that, it's free. So let's clarify the important difference between what's being marketed as AI agents and what they actually deliver today.
Current AI assistants like ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini respond to your prompts with information, content, or suggestions. They're reactive tools waiting for your commands.
True AI agents would be fundamentally different. They would understand your goals, plan steps independently of any action from you, use different software applications, make decisions at key points, and complete entire workflows, all without you having to just stand over them the entire time.
The essential capabilities of true agents include the ability to plan multi-step processes independently, use various software applications seamlessly, make decisions based on changing conditions, learn from past activities, and improve and operate without constant human oversight.
Yeah, there's no doubt what we have today is powerful, much more powerful than anything we've had in the past. But they still have limited agency in specific contexts. Not the autonomous digital workers promised in many presentations and marketing materials yet.
Understanding this distinction helps you make smarter investments in current technology while preparing for more advanced capabilities on the horizon.
So what can today's most advanced AI tools actually do? Let's take a look at the capabilities.
Advanced language models like GPT-4o, Claude, and Gemini can generate high-quality content for almost any purpose. They can analyze documents and summarize key information. They are capable of answering complex questions and explaining difficult concepts. These models can also translate between dozens of languages, write functional code, troubleshoot existing code, and enhance creative ideation and brainstorming sessions.
Some specialized tools offer even more advanced features.
Microsoft Copilot can draft emails based on your communication history. It can summarize lengthy documents or meeting transcripts. It also generates PowerPoint presentations from outlines, analyzes Excel data to suggest insights, and creates simple graphics and designs.
Business automation tools are showing early forms of limited agency as well.
Zapier's AI capabilities allow you to create workflows between apps based on your description. They can trigger actions based on specific events. These tools can move and transform data between platforms and update records across multiple systems.
Yeah, and some customer service platforms, they can, handle routine customer inquiries. They can categorize and route complex questions to humans after you've said the word agent or typed the word agent about 5,000 times. Suggest responses for human agents and monitor customer sentiment, which mine yesterday in a call to my internet provider was not very nice.
What's important to understand is that all these tools still require significant human oversight, clear instructions, and regular intervention. They're assistants with limited autonomous capabilities, not true agents.
Let's look at how companies are successfully using these AI assistants today.
JP Morgan Chase has implemented AI tools for fraud detection that analyze transaction patterns and flag suspicious activity for human review. While not fully autonomous, these tools have reduced fraud losses by 40% by identifying issues human analysts might miss.
KLM Airlines uses AI assistance for customer service. They gather information, suggest solutions for human agents. So it's kind of a hybrid approach, and it's reduced the waiting time by as much as 30% and improved first contact resolution by making human agents more effective in their jobs.
Marketing teams are using AI writing assistants to create and test multiple versions of ad copy. While humans still guide the strategy and approve final versions, the AI significantly increases testing capacity, improving conversion rates by 15 to 25% in many cases.
Financial analysts are using AI to summarize earnings calls and reports, extracting key points from thousands of pages of documents. The analysts still make investment decisions, but they can process significantly more information in the same amount of time.
The common thread in all these examples is that they show the real value of current AI tools, not as replacements for humans, but as powerful partners that enhance human capabilities.
The most successful implementations today are human AI collaborations, like those we talk about routinely on this channel. AI is here to help us make our jobs easier, not to necessarily take our jobs. But we've got to work smart. Work smarter, not harder, as the saying goes. We've got to learn to use the tools that are available for us to simplify our jobs. We're going to be expected to do that here within the next, 6 months to a year, more than likely. Because AI can, process large amounts of data and generate content. And with our human judgment and our creativity and our oversight, it's the best of both worlds. So we don't have true autonomous agents yet. There are several important limitations.
First, reasoning consistency across multiple steps remains a limitation. Current AI can follow straightforward processes, but struggles with complex multi-stage tasks that require adapting to unexpected situations.
Second, reliable interactions with software interfaces. While some tools can generate code to interact with APIs, consistently navigating complex user interfaces, that still remains challenging for any AI.
Third, safety and judgment are major hurdles. True agents would need to make important decisions autonomously, like committing company resources or sending communications, which requires reliability and judgment beyond current capabilities.
And finally, seamless integration across different systems. Current tools work well within their own ecosystems, but when you try to use them across, they still kind of struggle when you take them from one platform to another without having to give them new instructions about how to be customized or to customize them for the new platform.
These limitations are being actively addressed by researchers and developers, but they explain why the fully autonomous AI agents that many predicted for 2025 haven't yet materialized.
The key takeaway is this: current AI tools are incredibly powerful assistants with some agentic capabilities, but they're not fully the autonomous agents that we've been hearing about and that we've been promised, and that I, for one, am looking forward to.
This doesn't mean you should wait to implement AI. The organizations gaining the most value today are those leveraging current capabilities while preparing for more advanced tools.
In our next episode, we'll explore where AI agents are headed and what capabilities we can realistically expect in the near future, and how to prepare your workflows and skills to take advantage of them when they arrive.
Subscribe and hit the notification bell to make sure you don't miss part 2, where we'll share practical preparation strategies.
And thanks for watching. For Mabel, this is Rod Miller with Human Coefficient, helping you become indispensable in the age of AI, one step at a time, and nobody's going to be left behind. You mark my words. You've got my word on it. We'll see you for part 2 next time.